Hi guys, and welcome back. Today it's not going to be a cooking video, it's going to be a lifestyle related video, and today I'm here to share with you all two car fridges. So we have the BODEGA 12-volt car refrigerator, and when you open it up like this, on the top there you get a cutting board which you can use on top of this, and we have the smaller version here, and these are real refrigerators, so you do not need to put ice in here to keep your items cold. So I'm going to tell you a little bit more about the refrigerator. It's a 12-volt car refrigerator. It's a car fridge dual zone app controlled. It's a portable freezer, 48 quarts. It's this big one. It does have an RV electric compressor cooler, a 12/24 volt DC, and a 100-240 volt AC for outdoor camping travel, and great for your RV. So if you guys are looking to travel or do a cross-country trip and you want something where you can have drinks in really cold without having to transport ice or stopping to get ice all the time, this is going to be your new favorite friend. You can take it to the beach, you can take it camping, you can take it cross-country, and it's very easy to carry around. It does have really nice big wheels. It has a long telescopic handle. There's this one, and then there's the smaller one. The smaller one does not have a telescopic handle, but it works just as great as this big one. So if you guys are interested in owning one of these, and let me show you all the connector. It comes with two different connection types. So you get a regular connector, and then you get one. So this is a wall plug, and this one can go into your cigarette lighter. So you have the option to choose which one you want to use. Now in the back of our truck we can use this one, so that's the one that we're going to be using. If you have a smaller vehicle, you would probably be using this cigarette lighter connector. So here's a closer look at the car fridge. Two compartments. There's your drain plug. Now you can store fruits, you can store cold foods. If you make sandwiches or potato salad or anything that you need to keep cool, you can also use this refrigerator to do that. You can keep your drinks on one side and your fruits and your potato salad on the other side. These are two baskets that you can take in and out, and both of the fridges are designed the same way, just like this. So remember, here is going to be your LCD panel. You can plug in a USB here also if you need to charge your phone, or if you needed to use something that has a USB connector. I'm not gonna plug on this right now because we just moved it and we would need the gases to settle. But this is going to be your screen where you would have your settings, your power, and you can control everything from here. So this is the inside of the smaller one. We have two baskets, and here on this side here is the LCD control right here, and it also comes with that USB charging port. So it does come with your user manual. Of course, you'll go through, you'll read, you'll set up. One of the great things I like about this is that it comes with an app. So you connect it to your phone and you can monitor to make sure that it's reading the right temperature and everything is working well, just like you would do with a regular refrigerator. So it's something that I really like, because when we go to the beach or we go to the park, you want to carry drinks. Sometimes you don't want to go get ice, or you can't find ice. This comes in really, really handy, and it will stay cool up for a certain amount of time. Just remember, this is just like a real refrigerator, so you want the gases to settle before you can plug it on again. So if you move it about, make sure before you plug it on, you allow the gases to settle. So if you all are interested in owning one of these, this will make a great Father's Day gift, Christmas gift, you name it, gift. I mean, if someone were to give me this as a gift, I would really, really love it. So this is going to be an idea for you all for Christmas, and I will leave the information to purchase it down in the description box. Click on it right now. They have a extra $30 off of your purchase. So thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.